everyone, I hope you are great. My name is Arian and I'm grade 11 is high school, and today I review the mathematic 11 1.4 factoring. That's good and simple lesson, but it's difficult. I say every mathematics is difficult and hard. We can't say it's easy and so easy, no. But for some people, maybe yes. But my experience say is a little bit difficult. And let's go and start it. Here have a lesson, introduction lesson, and understand and explain the process of the factoring. This lesson have a video, have a homework, and have an example, and have a reflection. Next, here say how many time you take your time. This lesson is 50 minutes, 1 minute for quadratic function and 15 minutes for reflection, and factoring is 15 minutes. Let's start. And factoring, here have it. The factoring, generally the factoring is the process of the finding the factor, is the finding the what to multiply and together to get the expression. And here have an example. For example, this one factor of the expression. For example, I say that all of my video, if you don't or you can't read some word because it's difficult, you can search in Google Trends. Here have a one video a little bit difficult, you can search it and listen, just listen, not see the meaning. You can go and find in the dictionary the meaning. This one, listen please. Expression. And have an example here again. For example, and you help you understand. And have a factoring, have a video. You must watch the video because factoring a little bit difficult, and because you can't understand just in the slide and reading, so you should watch the factoring video. And let's move the forward. So far we have learned about basic factoring, but factoring does not finish here. They are way more complex questions we can factor. Is that not exciting? Let's look at the second degree polynomial factoring. Second degree polynomial are the quadratic. The first degree polynomial are called linear. Here say this video linear and quadratic, talking about that, and function. Here is say explaining the following. The video going to cover the factoring questions with the more complex formal. This part is a little beyond our scope of your course, but I want you to learn a little more than what we record. Try your best, that's what we can do right. Trying our best in everything we do. Let's watch this video. This video is so helpful and talking about factoring polynomial and say everything about that. Factoring polynomial, that's great. I don't know how many, I think 10 minutes or 20 minutes the video, and you should search in the YouTube. What is the factoring important? You might be wondering why we need to learn about factoring. One of the most important reasons we need to learn factoring is so we can solve equations, we call, we call quadratic questions. Here have it this word, a little bit difficult. Please listen. Maybe SP. Maybe I have a mistake, or maybe I don't have a mistake. I don't know. Listen. Specially. I forget. Specially. Listen. Specially. Any quadratic questions that can be factored can be solved too. The following video will show us how we can use the factoring skills to solve quadratic equation. And here say let's learn something new about the factoring. Be watching the following video, and here have again. Video is so important, and have some homework and understand better what you have learned. You can check here. And the end of the lesson. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question and any problem, you can send my Gmail. My Gmail is arianmoradiparto@gmail.com. And thank you. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.